Hello and welcome viewers to another video. In this video I am going to show you how you can use Snagit software to record and capture your screen in 4K resolution. So first things first, launch your Snagit. From the start menu, click here. This will open up your Snagit capture window. Now you have to go to file menu. Under file menu you will see this capture preferences. Click here. This will open up another window of Snagit capture preferences. Now you have to switch to capture window. Under capture you will have this navigate down, and here you will see scale captures down to full high definition resolution. So uncheck this box, and also if you want to record your video in high frame per second, like currently it is 60 fps, and if you want to increase the quality, you can switch to this downward pointing arrow, and here you will see very high quality preset which is 60 fps. After selecting 60 fps, hit OK, and then you are done. So next time when you will record using Snagit, in resolution will be set to a higher resolution, it will not downgrade to full high definition. So I hope you will find this video useful and you will start using this feature of Snagit to its full in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.